When you have an old car, eventually you're going to find yourself in this situation. In the old days, before cars were always coming out with LED lights, you had light globes that didn't last as long. When this happens, you've got to get in there, rip a few pieces out and replace a bulb. Almost a thing of the past, but not quite yet, and at least not for people like me who insist on keeping old cars going forever and ever. And that's really all there is to it. So there you go, a slowly dying art of changing a light bulb. Until next time, see you later.